Hello and welcome to our Study Buddy AI flashcard generator. And so right now I'm going to show you how I downloaded the dependencies and then how I installed them, how I set up the front end and the back end to work together to give us full application to work with. So opening up Visual Studio Code, I downloaded this code from GitHub, so I just pulled it, and so this is what it is. The first thing we need to do is go into the folder that's holding where the source code is and the other packages such as the virtual environment. So we would have to go into the AI flashcards app, which is the name of the folder, and then go into the source code. And from there, we have a txt file that has all the requirements for the dependencies. So all you need to do is do a pip install the requirements.txt, and you'll see that it downloads all of it at once. Since mine was already downloaded, it all did it fairly quickly. And then I'm going to cd again to AI flashcards app, and then I'm going to cd into the source code to then run the python app.py, which is what runs the back end of the application. This is where we house the AI and the actual code that makes it work. Then from there, we're going to move on to another terminal. These are going to be two PowerShell terminals that run together, and I'm going to cd once again to AI flashcards, and then cd into the source code. And from there, I'm going to put in npm start, and that's going to run the front end, which is the React part. It takes a couple seconds just to build, but once it compiles the front end part correctly, it automatically opens up the web application. You'll see at the very bottom it says powered by AI, built to React and Flask, and then it has a day and night mode. And so another thing to do is open up the CMD. And since we previously had some issues running stuff as like OpenAI or Gemini, just simply due to token issues or having to pay for the AI, what I did was download a AI that can run locally on my my computer, which is called Ollama, or Ollama, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start it, and I'm gonna run Ollama run Gemma 3, which is the chat model, Ollama Gemma 3. So from this window, you can put in any prompt you want. For example, I put sales, but you can put like the history of England if you would like. And so it'll take a good minute for it to come back. It took about 75 seconds in total originally. Now it's sped up to about 5 seconds for the video. So what comes back is 5 generated flashcards. We can generate up to 20 flashcards. My favorite feature is that we're able to export the flashcards that we generated into a txt file, which can be imported into Quizlet, and we'll have ourselves AI created Quizlet flashcards that we're able to go through, study, store, whatever you want in Quizlet, obviously. So the txt file is downloaded into my downloads, and from there I can just copy and paste it into Quizlet's paste text to generate a flashcard set.